Hey, welcome, alles goed? Today I'm going to show you how you can garden like a Dutchie. Yeah, we Dutchies like to grow potatoes, very easy to grow. You put them in the ground, you get them out of the ground, and yeah, good to make hutspot and stampot or just a point bag of patat. Lekker toch? Our favorite color is of course blue, orange. And what crop to celebrate that better with than the humble carrot? You just pull them out of the ground and you have a nice crunchy snack. Lekker! Now for the next plant we have to go to the left. Our most successful plant is the pumpkin. And not because of the pumpkins, but because of this. This is called powdery mildew, also known as POW for short. Other names are blow, snow and zozo. People will say it's a fungal disease, but us gardeners know is when you just want to have a little bit of fun. Gardening can be heavy work, so do not forget to take a break every once in a while. And what better way to do that than with a pink cookie? Lekker. In the Netherlands we really like cabbage, or as we call it, kool. We like boerenkool, bloemkool, steenkool, al de kool. But our favorite is the stroopwafelkool. It grows these beautiful edible coins. This one over here is still a little bit too small, but this one is ready to harvest. Very difficult to grow because in hot days it will melt right off your plant, but very much worth it. Lekker! It's a typical Dutch thing to put a swear word in front of anything that annoys you, so do not forget to do that when you are gardening. Hoerenworm, takkenslak, scheidbij. I would also love to show you the bicycle plant, but unfortunately that one was stolen by the vole again. Or if you're having trouble with mice, voles or other takkenbeesten, then remember to use that original Dutch tactic. Windmills. Just put them in the ground and the vibrations will scare them away. It also looks very nice. If you think Holland, you think tulips. Yes, you can grow tulips in your garden. Not the best to eat, we tried that a long time ago. Wouldn't recommend it. Not very lekker. To keep growing food in the Netherlands, we use a lot of greenhouses, also known as a kas. This is very handy in our moderate climate, but it does get very hot in a kas. Not very lekker. Another Dutch tradition is to sow peppernuts. Now, these nuts already taste great by themselves, but we also like to sow them to grow tai. And finally, the most typical Dutch thing to put in your garden, the cheese tree. Ah, you thought that cheese was made from cow juice, eh? Nee. We Dutchies found out that if you put a kaasblokje in the ground, a beautiful tree will sprout, eh? And if you wait long enough, you get cheese. Wow, lekker. So, that's how you garden like a Dutchie. Thanks for watching, het was gezellig. Later!